So we'll start with tea eggs first. We start with half a dozen hard-boiled eggs. And while I just boiled these, so they're gonna cool off now. And while they're cooling off, we'll bring a new pot of water to boil. And once it reaches boiling, all you have to do is drop in, and this is for 6 eggs, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of star anise, and the black tea. This is a really nice Assam tea here. And then soy sauce. And you're gonna let this whole thing simmer for maybe 10 minutes or so. So the whole point of these tea eggs is that they come out all marbled. And to do that, you want to crack them. So you take your hard-boiled eggs and you can crack them pretty aggressively. You want the shell to stay on, but feel free to sort of beat them up like that. After it's simmered, turn it off and then drop your eggs in. So just let this simmer for an hour and then cool down a bit, stick it in the fridge and take it out the next morning. You can eat them however you want, eat them plain. I like them over a bowl of rice, and it's a good snack any time of the day.